Welcome to the Unreal BootCamp lesson on installing the BrainCloud Unreal plugin as a Git submodule. A quick note, if you have already installed the BrainCloud plugin and don't intend on installing it as a Git submodule, then you can skip this lesson and start the next lesson instead. To get the Unreal BrainCloud client repository's address, start by clicking the Team tab at the top. Click Download Client Libs. Click the Unreal link. This will open a GitHub repository to the Unreal BrainCloud client source code. Click the green code button and then copy the repo's URL. Open terminal or git bash at the root of your Unreal project. Enter the command git submodule add, then paste in the URL that's copied to your clipboard. Before you hit enter, add the text plugin/bc client to the command. Now hit enter. This will create the plugins and BC client folders, and add the git submodule and clone the plugin to the BC client folder. Generate the Xcode project or Visual Studio solution file. Once that's done, open the Xcode or Visual Studio project. If you're on Mac OS and running an Apple Silicon Mac like I am, you may need to update and build before you can set the build target to My Mac. Run the project to open up the Unreal editor. Once the Unreal editor is open, click Edit, then Plugins. Search for BrainCloud. Then click the Enable checkbox. This will require a restart of the Unreal editor. You will get a notification about missing modules. Click Yes to rebuild them now. Once the Unreal editor reopens, open the plugins window if it didn't already, and then search for the BrainCloud plugin to confirm that it is in fact enabled. Initializing the BrainCloud wrapper is the next lesson in the Unreal BootCamp.